huge cargo ship with dozens of people on board vanishes in South Atlantic Ocean. A cargo ship with dozens of people on board has gone missing off the coast of South America after making a distress call. The 1,024 feet long Stella Daisy began taking on water on Friday shortly before midday. With the ship far off the Uruguayan coast, the Navy organized a search operation in conjunction with 4 merchant ships in the area. One of these ships spotted a life raft and rescued 2 sailors from the South Korean vessel. According to Navy spokesman Gaston Joncillo, the first of the ships at the scene had detected a strong smell of fuel and had spotted debris indicating the damaged sink had sunk. The cargo ship, a very large ore carrier, the LOC, with a capacity of 260,000 tons, had set off from Brazil shortly before vanishing. It was being operated by a South Korean company but was registered in the Marshall Islands, and had 16 Filipinos and 8 South Koreans on board. The disappearance of the cargo ship comes just after the 3-year anniversary of the disappearance of Malaysian Airlines flight MH370, which vanished without trace in 2014. The search for the doomed aircraft was called off in early 2017, 3 years after it went missing with 239 passengers and crew on board. Only 33 pieces of debris were recovered over the entire search duration, which saw an extensive deep-sea search conducted.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.